Here's how to convert to FLAC for free. So that's that FLCA audio, FLAC audio file type. So if we have an MP3 or something, we can just drag and drop it into ConvertSave, which is a file converter that I created with my brother, and you can try it for free with the link in the description down below. We can also drag in video files if we want to. It'll extract the audio from those. So we've got a MP3 in here. We've got an MP4 video file. Why not? Let's select the output, and we're going to select FLAC and hit convert. It'll save the FLAC files next to wherever the other files came from, and it'll have the same name as well. So we got the audio ones over here, the one that came from the videos over here, and yeah, I mean, I just didn't want to upload my files to random sketchy websites anymore. So I asked my brother, who's a developer, can you create a video, audio, and image file converter that works offline on Mac and Windows? And he told me he could. And so we made ConvertSave. And here we are, we've released it. On this video, you can try it free in the description down below. Hopefully, maybe you need it right now and it's gonna help you convert those files for free, or maybe you find it to be a utility you really wanna have on your computer. Either way, I appreciate your support, and I'll see you guys in the next one.